Hello and welcome to AI Pioneers. Today we're going on a trip through time to meet the brilliant minds who, with their ideas and inventions, shaped the field of artificial intelligence. From deep questions to complex neural networks, each of these visionaries left us a legacy that defines our tech present. Our story starts with a man who dared to ask a big question.
Can machines think?
That was Alan Turing's main question. This British math whiz and codebreaker is known as the father of computer science. In his important 1950 paper, he suggested the famous Turing test, an experiment to see if a machine could act smart enough that you couldn't tell it apart from a human. Turing imagined an analytical engine that could process information in ways that laid the groundwork for everything that came after. His work wasn't just a big idea. It also predicted how important machine learning would be in building powerful machines. Moving forward in time, we find a game-changing idea: cybernetics.
All smart behavior comes from feedback loops.
Norbert Wiener, a brilliant person who knew a lot about many things, is the father of cybernetics, which is the study of how living and mechanical systems control and communicate. Wiener thought that complex systems, from a thermostat to the human brain, use feedback loops to learn and get better. His work laid the groundwork for understanding how systems can become smart by remembering the past to get better in the future, a key idea we see in neural networks today. Now we travel to 1956, to the famous conference that gave the field its name, the Dartmouth Conference.
A machine can do everything the human mind does, so why not call it artificial intelligence?
John McCarthy, the smart person who came up with the term, started the conference. With him, Marvin Minsky, another key pioneer, helped start the MIT AI Lab. Minsky made important contributions to the idea of frames and neural networks, while McCarthy created the Lisp programming language, a key tool for early AI research. And we can't forget Herbert A. Simon, who with his colleague Alan Newell, created cool programs like the logic theory machine and the general problem solver. These were some of the first programs to separate how you solve a problem from the specific details of the problem, a key idea for modern AI. For decades, AI had its ups and downs, but in the 80s, a new time began with neural networks coming back strong.
The perceptron is a model based on how a single neuron in the human brain works.
Frank Rosenblatt created the perceptron, a learning program that was a very important early version of modern neural networks. Even though his work faced challenges at first, it laid the groundwork for connectionism, the second wave of AI. Today, the field is mostly about deep learning, and we have its founding fathers.
The only way to make AI really work is to try to make it work like the human brain.
Geoffrey Hinton, known as the godfather of deep learning, has been key in making the neural networks that power today's AI. His work has been the basis for programs that recognize voices and images.
Machines need to understand the physical world to be truly smart.
Yann LeCun, on the other hand, is famous for his work on convolutional neural networks, CNNs, which changed computer vision.
AI is the new electricity.
And Andrew Ng, a well-known leader in the industry, has made AI education available to more people. And through companies like Coursera, Landing AI, and AI Fund, he has made AI knowledge and users available to everyone. Finally, we look to the future with modern visionaries.
We are creating technology that combines the human brain with artificial intelligence.
Elon Musk is exploring the line between the brain and machines with Neuralink, a company trying to create brain-computer connections to improve memory or allow communication with software. He also started xAI to learn more about the universe through advanced AI research. From Turing's basic question to Musk's future goals, the story of AI shows how smart humans are. Each of these people has taught us that intelligence isn't just a skill, but a never-ending journey. Thanks for joining us.